Once upon a vibrant evening in the heart of Jamaica, 6 fairies danced among the flowers, their giggles mingling with the sounds of the island. Sparkler, a bright and effervescent fairy with wings like shimmering flames, led the group. Her best friends, Flicker and Moyer, followed closely, their playful personalities lighting up the surroundings. Flicker had wings that glimmered like the stars, while Moyer's were a soft pastel, giving off a calming glow. They loved to weave through the lush greenery of the island, scattering magical dust that brightened the flowers and draped the trees in sparkling light. Their joy was contagious, and soon they were joined by 2 charming male fairies. Bubbler, with his bubbly laugh and essence that mirrored the soothing waves of the ocean, and Eupher, wise and gentle, with wings that resembled the deep blue sea. The fairies decided to hold a celebration, a magical gathering under the great ceiba tree. Sparkler waved her hand, and light swirled in the air, casting colorful patterns across the grass. Flicker sent ripples of laughter through the group, while Moyer played a soft melody on her enchanted flute. Bubbler brought the coconut water, fresh and sweet, while Eupher shared stories of the stars, weaving tales of constellations and mythical creatures. As night fell, they started a dance, their movements synchronized like the waves of the Jamaican sea. Each fairy twirled and spun, creating a breathtaking spectacle. But then, a shadow emerged from the woods, and Squinting Eye, grumpy goblin who frowned at their merriment. "Enough of this noise," he huffed. "You're disturbing the peace of the night." The fairies paused, unsure of how to respond. Then, Bubbler stepped forward with a warm smile. "Why not join us instead?" he offered, inviting the goblin to let go of his frown and enjoy the festivities. To everyone's surprise, the goblin hesitated, then slowly cracked a smile. "I haven't danced in ages," he admitted. With a little coaxing from Moyer's lilting music and Sparkler's contagious cheer, they encouraged him to join in. Before long, the goblin was twirling alongside the fairies, laughter echoing under the starlit sky. Together, they created a night filled with joy and magic, reminding everyone that friendship knows no bounds and that happiness can bridge even the widest divides. As dawn approached, the fairies and their new friends settled under the great ceiba tree, tired but elated. They had not just held a celebration, but had woven a bond that sparkled just as brightly as their wings. In that moment of unity, Jamaica felt even more enchanting, a land where magic and friendship danced hand in hand.